Carl, and up until a few weeks ago, we were travelling around Europe in our 1989 Talbot Express. But one too many breakdowns meant that we decided to return to the UK to collect a van that we bought online, completely sight unseen.
Be a van!
And it's safe to say that it came with a few surprises.
One of the things that we do need to sort out with Cindy is she hasn't actually got a waste tank, which we didn't know when we bought her.
Now, after testing our new purchase by embarking on a mini adventure around the UK, we're ready to make some much needed upgrades, although first we need to fix everything that's already broken.
I think we've got one of three options. Either it's the toilet seat that's broken, the dining table that's broken, I broke the hinge, or it was Harper rolling around in the back of the van.
That's not a very good start to the morning, is it? We've got no coffee, so that's going to go well today.
Oh. I'm afraid we've had a slight disaster. We've run out of coffee again. So you've got a lovely cup of tea. Sorry.
Right, before we do anything today, we're getting coffee. I'm not doing anything without coffee.
When you say getting coffee, do you mean stealing coffee from my mum's house? Got a little baby bug on the bed again. For whatever reason, Harper started sleeping on the big bed rather than her own little bed that we make up for every night, like the little princess paws that she is.
She actually woke me up whatever time this morning getting
Did
into
she?
bed. Yeah.
And I'm not mad about it because it's really, really cute, but I don't know. So I'd love to know why she started doing it.
You ruined my morning by giving me a cup of tea.
I think I'm going to ruin your day. We've got lots of things to do today. And unfortunately, a lot of them are things that you need to do. Or that I can help you with, but I think we both know that I'm completely useless. No.
I think I'm ill. I think I have to stay in bed.
You're going to go out for a 3.5 hour walk again and avoid all your responsibilities.
Yeah.
This one's definitely coffee. Do we think it'd be funny if we gave Carl another cup of tea? What do you think, Wiggy Woo? Should we give him another cup of tea? Shake your bum if you give him another cup of tea. Yeah. Hi, guys.
If you make me another cup of tea, we'll get divorced.
Did I not say I was going to divorce you yesterday if we went to the tall bit in B&Q?
No. What you said is if we would go to the look at tool bags and boxes for 20 minutes and not buy one. Bought one. Ha.
Damn it. Happy marriage it continues to be then, yes?
Marriage.
Rude.
Jakey, I love you, but you're in the way.
Yes, we've got two little, would you call them little challenges whilst we're at Mum's? Maybe one big challenge right here called Jakey. And one little challenge over there called Tilly. Jake and Tilly are my mum's dogs. Hi! Hi, Bobby. You gonna say hello? Are you gonna say hello? Hello. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Luckily Harper knows Tilly and Jake really, really well, so she's not got a problem with them. Wow.
I wish IKEA had put everything in a logical order. So I opened that box and I saw the drawer fronts. I thought, oh brilliant, drawers. I can build those up first, get those done there out of the way. No, you've got the drawer fronts and what I think is the sides of the main structure. This is the base, that's the top. And then another box with all... Why? Why not all the drawers in one, carcass in another?
Is that your coffee?
Can I have a beer? It's not too early for
It's not thinking beer time yet, I'm afraid. There you go.
Oh. Don't get me wrong. IKEA stuff's really easy to put together.
Hot. Sorry.
That's what I was expecting. Yeah, IKEA stuff's really easy to put together. But, I mean, I don't know what your mum bought, so I've got no idea what it's meant to look like. Thankfully, the instructions have a picture.
Shall I leave you to get on with that first then?
Yeah, it's not going to take me long once I work out what's what.
So my mum has very, very kindly let us use her driveway for a couple of days so we can get our jobs done. In exchange, Carla's been roped into doing some jobs around the house, including building a chest of drawers. So I'm going to leave him to do that one first. First things first, we have absolutely got to change the bedding. For whatever reason, and I think I've already said this, but Harper has started sleeping on the big bed with us. I actually don't mind at all. I quite like it. It's quite nice to have her there. But she gets hair and mud absolutely everywhere. So this bedding desperately needs washing, as does the cushion covers of the cushions that make up the mattress underneath. Because this bed pulls out into a king size bed, we've got multiple cushions that sort of make up the mattress. And they are also just covered in dog hair, which I totally accept is just part of, you know, living in the van with the dog. But I feel like we can at least try. I've also bought some really, really pretty bedding from Dunelm yesterday, which I'm hoping is going to match and look much better than the check bedding, the sort of orange check bedding that we had in Babs, which looked great in Babs, but it's just not quite the vibe that I want in here. I am not quite sure how to do this. I assume that all of these covers come off. Oh, I think I might need Carl's help for the big one, but I really, really don't want to ask for Carl's help. Because I insisted this morning that I could do this all by myself. But it's absolutely massive, and the cushion covers are on there really, really tightly. They fit really well. I think the guys that converted Cindy originally had them all custom made. So yeah, no, they're great. They fit really well, but they're really, really difficult to get off. I'm sweating already. We're going to leave this big cushion for now. Mostly because I'm not actually sure we've got enough room for it in the washing machine with everything else that needs to go in. What's really cool though is I was taking off the cushion covers and it says Crystal Upholstery, who I'm assuming that's whoever's made the cushions and potentially also made the covers for the cushions, which is really cool. This is one of the jobs that's on the list today. This is our toilet seat and it should be in one piece, not two pieces. So we need to fix that today. It's been a real pain because it means that you can't actually flip the lid up. You have to take it off by the hinges, which are also broken. So you just have to pick it up and move it and put it back. It's not that much of a problem. It's just a real pain when you want to go for a wee in the middle of the night and it disturbs everybody. Right, I fear that we may have created a bigger mess than we started with. That's all the stuff that needs to go in the wash. And those are all the cushions that need covers going back on once they're finished. The good news is that my mum's obviously got a washing machine and the weather today is actually beautiful. I think it's actually a really good job that we didn't try and do this yesterday because it absolutely hammered it down last night and we just haven't got enough room either in here or in my mum's house to dry everything inside. So all of the cushion covers need to go outside and they all need to dry in the sun. So yeah, I think today's actually worked out better. I'm going to put a sneaky little bit of clothes washing in as well. If I've learned anything living in a van and living in multiple vans, it's that you take a shower when there's one available and you wash any dirty clothes when a washing machine is available. Something tells me that the washing machine's going to be very, very busy today. I am really hoping that there's enough places for this to dry and that all the cushion covers do actually go back on the covers. They were really, really tight and actually quite difficult to get off in the end. That's good because it means they fit really well. I'm not quite sure what that means when it comes to getting them back on. It's actually quite scary how little stuff I've taken out of the van to empty it. It's just sat in front of me on my mum's driveway and it's not a lot at all. I think the next job to do after this is to hoover everything.
I know that might sound really, really pointless because Harper's going to go back in the van later, but I feel like we can only try. My mum's actually got 2 dogs. She's got Tilly and she's got Jake, and both of them shed quite a lot of hair. So I'm hoping that a Hoover is going to be super, super powerful and is going to do a better job than the little Hoover that I do try and use to keep on top of everything. Isn't really doing very much. If anyone's got any recommendations for Hoovers for a van that can keep up with a husky cross collie shedding absolutely everywhere, then please let me know in the comments below. I would very much appreciate it. Has done an excellent job of getting the van on my mum's driveway. This driveway is not made for a 7-metre long van. The slight downside is this is about how much room there is between the house and the van. If I take you on the other side, that's about how much room there is between the van and the fence next door. So
Hello.
access to the garage is a bit limited. Win?
Yeah. Sock. No, I think I was missing a sock.
Yeah.
I found said missing sock. Alright, on the table.
Thank you.
Hinges are definitely in here, aren't they? Bye bye.
Woohoo! Does that work to your liking?
Bit tables.
It tables. Excellent.
And do you know what we don't do?
What?
We don't drive off of the table like that.
No. Nor do we drive off with the sink full of water.
No. So they can go in the bin. It's done. That's done. Should just.
Oh, look at that. Very nice.
So that's usable. There's spares. Would anybody like a cheap and nasty double-ended screwdriver? What other jobs do I need to do in here?
We need to put some hooks and some pictures and stuff, but I need to clean everything before we do that.
So I'm finished in here.
Yeah.
Right, okay. Admittedly, for the waste tank I need to spin the van round.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but the sink's there, fence is there, so I need to be nose in. But I've got other jobs that I need to do before then. This can go in the shame pile.
The shame pile?
Yeah.
What's the shame pile?
The shame pile is what I need to go to when something goes wrong.
I would call that your prepared pile, not your shame pile.
It's a shame pile because it's a shame to have to use them.
Well, Mr. Hoarder down there, I'm sure you're delighted.
If I wasn't a hoarder, nothing would get fixed.
So what are you doing now then? You're going to wire in the dash cam?
Procrastinate.
That's what I was doing this morning with the chest of drawers, weren't you?
Yeah. Yeah, I just gotta find an earth point. Would you like to see what I've done?
Go on in. Oh! Ta-da!
It doesn't look like I've done anything, does it?
No, the wire's gone, so does that mean that you've hardwired the dash cam? It's better, isn't it? See where you're going. Happy?
Yeah, it's better than having this cigarette lighter one going, but yeah, it's
Still think it's just a shame that we do actually need, like, we need a dash cam. It's not just a, oh, we'll get one because we wanted one. We actually need one.
It's no longer kind of a luxury, it's a necessity.
Right, what are you doing next?
The job I don't really want to be doing.
What's that?
Making it being so you can see behind us. Fitting the reversing camera / rear view camera. I've no idea where I'm going to route the cable from the back to the front.
This is why it's taken me so long to do my one job
Do not
today.
blame me. This is the first
Oh
time.
God, can you get back in the seat?
This is the first time I've asked for your help / opinion. Right, so I've already. Oh yeah, that needs wiring in as well. I've already tested it to make sure it all works.
Yeah.
So I know it all works. I was thinking, kind of there.
Yeah. Oh.
Obviously, this will be at the back of the van.
That's quite clear, actually. I thought that would be worse.
I thought it was going to be worse as well, if I'm honest.
One of the interesting challenges of Cindy is that we didn't convert her, so we don't actually know where all the cables go.
No
And I had no idea that cable was up there until you just looked at it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, I've known it's been there for ages.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I think we're going to find a few surprises whilst we're installing things.
100%. But going by what has been done to Cindy, I don't think it's going to be like horrors.
So not like Babs then?
No, nowhere near what Babs was. But yeah, I do think we're going to find some surprises. Like, oh, didn't know that was there.
Yeah.
That's part of the fun, I suppose.
In next week's video, we tackle the last and potentially most important upgrade that we need to make before finally embarking on our next big adventure.
Well, this is an excellent start. We are absolutely crawling on the motorway. In fact, I think we're coming to a complete stop.